What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I wanted to give you stage 2 of my HogOn Cafe container modifications, is lining it out as far as cutting your line. So you want to make sure that you get your distance correct, get you a good line out, make sure everything is in correctly and suited. So that's going to be your first thing, and you want to make sure that you do both sides. So when you finish your one side, you want to make sure that you want to check everything from here. So I pulled it with a 100-foot tape, had someone hold it here, did 2 marks, and then I went up with my line. And I think that's real good when you're doing these, is to make sure that you got everything lined up. You see, got my lines. So that's what you want to do when you're doing these, is just take your time, line everything out, make sure you got your marks and everything cut and set before you jump into it and start cutting and fabricating. HogOn.